Here's how to add eye-catching animated stickers to your videos with Flixier. Click on Start Editing to open Flixier. Go back to your Flixier dashboard by clicking on All Projects here on the left. Then select AI Tools from the sidebar and open Flixier's AI Face-to-Sticker tool. Upload an image from your computer, then type in a prompt describing the subject. You can use the negative prompt field under it to type in something that you don't want included in your image. After a few seconds, your sticker will be generated and you'll be able to save it to your computer or add it to your video. To add it to your video, click on Edit More. This will create a new Flixier project. Your sticker will show up in your library here on the left. Click on Import and Record on the top left to upload your video. You can drag and drop your video to the center of the screen here or bring it over from your phone seamlessly just by scanning a QR code. After your video is imported, drag and drop it onto the timeline, then drag the sticker on top. You can change the sticker's position on the screen by clicking and dragging and adjust its position and length on the timeline to change how long it stays on screen. To animate your sticker, select it on the timeline, go to the Object Inspector menu on the right, scroll down to Animation, and select one of the preset animations to move, wipe, or resize your sticker. You can even create custom animations for your stickers with keyframes. Just press K to add 2 keyframes, adjust the position, size, and duration, then refine your animation with the easing option to make your sticker stand out and complement your video. When you're satisfied, click Export and select Video to save it to your computer. Alternatively, you can publish directly to TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook. Try it out right now and add some flair to your videos with Flixier.